Oh, ain't love grand? Until you're like Sarah, who had enough of dating apps and empty convos with no date invitations.
Where are all the good men? Why can't I find love?
Or Kelly, who is sick of being ghosted and breadcrumbed with no real available man in sight.
Where are all the good men? Why can't I find love?
Have you heard of Belinda Love?
Who is Belinda Love?
Belinda Love, the conscious love expert and frequency activator for love, is lighting the way for single women to ditch the dating drama, bin the breadcrumbs, and finally claim conscious love. She's transformed her own dating patterns and found her soulmate, and has helped thousands of women do the same.
So, if you're ready to ditch the dating drama, activate your love frequency, and magnetize conscious love like I have and my clients have, then you won't want to miss this event.
The Soulmate Magnet Activation is your portal to attract the love you deserve. Don't spend another year alone. Make this year the one you finally find true love. Join us for the Soulmate Magnet Activation, coming soon.